Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Ars Matchless Spoon. Hope you all enjoyed the coffee. Please don't forget to subscribe. Now today I'm here with a new dish, a special dish which is Paneer pepper fry or cottage's pepper fry. Hope you will like it. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like it. If you got any kind of suggestions or comments, it is most welcome. Thank you. Yeah, let me introduce the ingredients. I have taken here 400 grams of cottage cheese or paneer, 1 cup of cabbage. Cabbage I have taken instead of onion, 2 tomatoes, red chilli, turmeric powder, then black pepper powder, then garam masala powder. Here I got some veg meat masala, then canola oil, which is sunflower oil actually, then curry leaves, ginger and green chilli, and salt is there, and there is hing powder also. Yeah, let us start. I'll on the fire now. Now I will add the canola oil and sunflower oil here. Okay, let the oil get hot. The oil is getting hot. The oil is hot. I will add here ginger cut into small pieces. Yes. And okay. Okay. Now let the green chilli for cut. Okay. And a pinch of curry leaves here. Okay. Yes. We'll make it a little bit fry now. We will fry this until the raw smell of the ginger is gone. Then what I will do, now the ginger is almost with fry now. I will add the cabbage now. Okay. Okay. Cabbage now. Here I will add some hing powder. This hing powder will give a special aroma, and it is a substitute for onion actually. So that taste, those who are using, they will get it. I am going to add some salt here, so you will get it quite soon. Okay. Then I will cover this one with the lid and wait for some time. We have to do this until it's a golden color, golden yellow color. Okay, we will wait for some time. Meantime, we will boil the cottage cheese. Add some water here. We'll on the fire on here. Let it boil. In that one, I will just add 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder. Now let it get boiled, then we will add the cottage cheese. Yeah, just you have to salt it in time to time, and you can add little more oil here, otherwise it will maybe getting spoiled. So we'll wait for some more time. Okay. Here the water is boiling. Yeah, the water is boiling. I'm going to add the paneer here. Good. Very good. Yes. Yeah, let it boil for some time. The cabbage is already done, so what I'm going to add here, red chili powder. Red chili powder I'm not going to add too much because it depends upon those who are taking too much chili, they can add more. I have already added some 8 to 10 green chili, so I added here very little only. Then turmeric powder. Okay. And black pepper powder. A spoon of black pepper powder. We'll sort it well. Okay. Yeah. That nice smell is coming. I'm going to add the tomato, which I cut in small pieces. Well, that one. Now the tomato will take some time, so what we will do, remember I already added 1.5 teaspoon of salt here and around 1 teaspoon of salt in that paneer. So I will add here around balanced salt. It is around, yeah, okay. I will add some curry leaves also. Sort it well. Okay. Sort it well for some time. Maybe it is not necessary that it get completely smashed out. Yeah, I'm going to cover the lid for some time so it will cook very soon. Okay. In the meantime, I will remove the water from the paneer. The paneer is high boiled, so I'm going to put out the fire now. We'll wait for some time, then I will remove the water from it. Oh, what a smell! Yes. I'm just going to sort it. Yeah, almost done. Here I'm going to add the garam masala. Around 1 spoon of garam masala. And the veg meat masala also. Okay. Plus black pepper powder, little bit more. Okay. Sort it well. Good. Oh, what a nice aroma. I'm sure it will be very yummy. Yes. Yes, very nice. Now the raw smell of the masala is gone. What I'm going to do here, I will add the paneer here. Okay. Add the paneer here. Good, good, good. Good. What you have to do, you have to smash into small pieces. See? Great. Small pieces. Let us mix it well. Good. We smash it a little bit, the big pieces to small pieces. Okay. Yeah, it's almost small pieces now. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to add some more curry leaves here. You know, the aroma of the curry leaves will take the dish to another level. So let us now sort it well and we'll get it fry now. Yeah, a very nice aroma is coming. Now we will keep it for some time as the paneer was very soft. Now let it be on the flame or get it fried. Then only the paneer pepper fry will be ready. Okay. Around 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes will be enough. Yeah, it looks yummy. You have to stir it in times, otherwise chance of getting it spoiled. Okay, getting fried now. Yeah. Yeah. Even though this one is non-stick pot, cells were getting burned. So you have to stir it 10 times. Okay, it look yummy. Yeah, it's almost done now. You can have it with the chapati. Put it in the chapati and roll it and bite it. Awesome. You can have it with the paratha. You can have it with rice and different kind of breads. My small daughter, she likes this very much. Very much. Okay, it's almost done now. Another 2 minutes. We'll keep it, then we will put the fire off. It is done now. I'm going to put out the fire now. Okay. Yes, it is done now. Your paneer pepper fry is ready. Okay. I'm going to put it in the bowl, serving bowl. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to transfer it to a serving bowl. Okay. Good. Now our paneer pepper fry or cottage cheese pepper fry is ready to serve. Okay, let us taste it. Introducing my little star. Yeah. Now this dish I prepared today is your favorite. Yeah. I'm going to serve it here. Darling?
Yes?
Taste it and let me know how is it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
It's really yummy.
Yeah. Thank you very much, darling. Okay.
I liked it.
Is it? Very. Yeah. Please try to make it at your home. And as my little song said, share, like, and subscribe. Also, press the bell button. Thank you very much. I'll be joining with you soon with a new dish. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.